Homework. Is it that scary? Today I have come up with a debate and the topic is homework. Should it be banned or not? So basically, what is homework? Homework is a school task given to the students to do at home. It reinforces learning, builds responsibility in the students, helps them learn time management, prepares them for exams, and bridges the learning gap. However, if a lot of homework is given, it may affect the mental health of children and develop learning inequality or even curtail their free time. So let us look at some arguments against homework ban and some arguments supporting homework ban. First of all, we will look at arguments against homework ban. The number one point is it reinforces learning. Students can do schoolwork by staying in their comfort zone at home. The concepts taught in the class are reinforced when students do schoolwork at home. They can take notes and even read them. At home, they can practice some mathematical problems that were taught to them in the school. So, it reinforces learning. Secondly, it builds responsibility and time management. Students do homework and it develops discipline and organization in them. They prepare a schedule and they try to stick to it. They learn how to utilize their time efficiently also. They become aware that they cannot leave things to the last minute. So such life skills like discipline and perseverance are developed by doing schoolwork. Thirdly, it involves parents. Parental involvement is very crucial in a child's life. At home, parents often help their children to do their homework. Parents get a chance to interact and engage with the child. When they go to parents-teacher meetings in school, they know about the progress of their child, and doing homework with parental support develops a very good mutual understanding between them. Fourthly, it even prepares students for exams. Preparing for exams is a daunting task for most of the students. The key is, if they do their assignments diligently, they will not require last-minute cramming. Regular assignments help students prepare for exams. They practice potential exam questions by preparing for the exams and by doing their homework. So you can see a sense of accountability is developed among the students. The fifth point is it bridges the learning gap. At school, students grasp the concepts of different subjects. See, one cannot ignore the benefits of revising the topics at home. The amount of time available for students at home is certainly more, and so they can practice and revise the topics learned. And hence, it helps in bridging the learning gap. They can take help of their parents or tuition teachers and ask questions if they have doubts. This is especially fruitful for weaker students to catch up with their studies. Now let us look at some arguments supporting homework ban. Homework has mental health impact. Excessive homework increases stress and anxiety among students. Students are often worried about completing their schoolwork on time. This increases burden on them. They stop enjoying the process of doing homework. Because of stress, they forget things learned in the classroom. For example, see, if their parents might not be educated or they might not have enough money to hire a tuition teacher, and the students may not understand some concepts. Hence, they may not get the required support, further aggravating their tensions. Lack of free time. Children often get caught in the vicious cycle of time. They have to take out time for doing schoolwork every day. It reduces the time for extracurricular activities and family bonding. So, this also impacts their cognitive development. Sometimes they don't get enough sleep to regain the energy in their growth years. They don't get time to spend on hobbies, which is very crucial. Learning inequality is another argument which says that homework should be banned. All the students are treated equally in school, and the uniform brings uniformity. However, when the same students go home, they don't have access to resources like quiet spaces and internet. During the nationwide lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many children suffered as they did not have access to mobile phones or internet at home. So just such kind of differences are starker between rich and poor families. This leads to learning inequality. Fourth is the effectiveness of homework is questionable. Research indicates that homework may not significantly improve learning results. Homework has a minimum impact on academic achievement for elementary school students. Small children often lack the focus necessary for home assignments, and they need the support of teachers. They are distracted by many other things in their home environment. Most of the time, they are in a hurry to do their homework, either to play video games after that or watch videos on YouTube. At times, their parents might be busy. So, the effectiveness of homework is questionable. Fifth, homework encourages memorization over learning. Schoolwork emphasizes on memorizing information that is certainly not productive. This is referred to as rote learning. Reading a chapter from a book or taking notes will not help students to get an in-depth understanding of the subject. So, students do not develop critical thinking or problem-solving skills. It does not help students to develop deeper knowledge about the subjects. And at times, teachers may not always give challenging assignments to students. So, this may not require students to think critically or even apply whatever they have learned to real life situations. So, we have gone through the points of the arguments against homework ban and arguments supporting homework ban. So, what do you think? Whether homework should be banned or not? Please do write in the comment section below. And thank you. Please do subscribe to English Videos.